The Kindling Cracker King is the easiest and safest way to cut larger pieces of wood for your campfire, stove, or fireplace. Almost twice as big as the original Kindling Cracker, it has a 9-inch wide ring to handle bigger pieces of firewood. The unique design prevents your fingers from getting close to a moving blade, making it safer than using a standard axe. And it requires less force to split wood, making it easier to use. Built in Australia of high-quality cast iron with an award-winning patented design, it's made to last for generations. Plus, it's virtually maintenance-free. It's lightweight, portable, and has bolt holes for permanent mounting, so it's always within reach. When you need to easily and safely cut larger pieces of wood, you need the Kindling Cracker King, the safer, faster, and easier way to make kindling for your fire.